Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to megacity. A megacity is a very large city, typically with a population of more than 10 million people. History. The term megacity entered common use in the late 19th or early 20th centuries. One of the earliest documented uses of the term was by the University of Texas in 1904. Initially, the United Nations used the term to describe cities of 8 million or more inhabitants, but now uses the threshold of 10 million. Challenges. Slums. According to the United Nations, the proportion of urban dwellers living in slums or informal settlements decreased from 47% to 37% in the developing world between 1990 and 2005. However, due to rising population, the absolute number of slum dwellers is rising. The majority of these are located in informal settlements, which often lack sufficient quality housing, sanitation, drainage, water access, and officially recognized addresses. Crime. As with any large concentration of people, there is usually crime. High population densities often result in higher crime rates, as visibly seen in growing megacities such as Karachi, Delhi, Cairo, Rio de Janeiro, and Lagos. Homelessness. Megacities often have significant numbers of homeless people. The actual legal definition of homelessness varies from country to country or among different entities or institutions in the same country or region. Traffic congestion. Traffic congestion is a condition on road networks that occurs as use increases and is characterized by slower speeds, longer trip times, increased pollution, and increased vehicular queuing. Urban sprawl. Urban sprawl, also known as suburban sprawl, is a multifaceted concept which includes the spreading outwards of a city and suburbs to its outskirts to low density, outer-dependent development on rural land, with associated design features that encourage car dependency. Air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction in the atmosphere of chemicals, particulate matter, or biological materials that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms, or damages the natural environment. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was your host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.